week and some great workouts for us today. Today we're going to start with that push jerk. Right, so we have that barbell, taking it off the rack. All right, elbows up in front. We're going to do that little dip down, nice and upright. As we stand up, explode, drive that head out of the way, stop pressing that bar. And then we're going to drive ourselves underneath it to catch it and stand it up to full extension. Right. As of now, it is getting heavier as we're moving quite well along through that cycle. So don't be afraid to really, excuse me, push yourself underneath that bar. So as it's going up, really drive yourself down to make sure you catch that bar with those arms nice and locked out. This week, you're going to increase that weight 5 pounds from what you did last week, right? Unless last week we were not successful with that weight, then you'll repeat that weight this week. All right, our WOD today, okay? Our WOD, the gym WOD is a 2-part WOD. The first part is 5 rounds. You're gonna take your dumbbells, the 50 pounds for the guys, 35 for the ladies, into that front rack position. So that means that back head of the dumbbell rests on your shoulders, elbows out in front, okay? And we're gonna do 10 dumbbell front rack lunges. 1, 1, 2, 2. So lunge it out, 1, 1, 2, 2, etc. on up. When we lunge, make sure we are keeping that knee stacked over that ankle and that back knee touches the ground. When we stand up, bring those feet back together behind you. Okay, back foot stays planted, front foot moves. From there, you're gonna go into those sit-ups. So you put those down using that ab mat. Feet in that butterfly position, touch the ground above your head, sit up, touch the ground in front of your feet. Go through that 5 times, okay? At this point, when you finish that 5th round, you're gonna look at the clock. That starts your next WOD, which is 3 minutes of dumbbell max clean and jerks. So from there, you're gonna take those dumbbells, right? You're gonna start on the ground. You're gonna stand up, clean them to your shoulders, jerk them up overhead, back down to the ground. Okay, you will use the same dumbbells that you used for the lunges for those clean and jerks. All right, if we're not doing that, well, we're gonna do the home WOD today. The home WOD is a buy-in of 100 double unders. Then it's gonna be 3 rounds of 10 dumbbell strict press, 10 reverse lunges to high knee with that right leg, 10 reverse lunges to that high knee with that left leg, 10 dumbbell burpee box step overs, and then a buyout of 100 dubs, right? So we're doing those dubs. If you don't have dubs, it's gonna be ×2 singles or ×2 soccer taps. Then dumbbell strict press. So again, take your dumbbells, all right? You're just gonna stand up, press them up, bring them back down. Only thing moving on these is your arms. All right, keep them close because you'll need them for the last movement in this, but then that reverse lunge into a high kick with that knee. So take that right leg, you're gonna step it back, lunge it out, back knee touches. Again, focusing on keeping that front knee stacked. Stand up, bring that leg high. So you'll do 10 with that right leg, then you'll switch 10 with that left leg. Then you're gonna go into those dumbbell burpee box step overs. So take your dumbbells, all right, start on one side, step it up, step over, 1, 2. Okay. And then once you've gone through that 3 times, then you'll pick up your jump rope and do your buyout. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck once you get through this. It's almost the weekend, so enjoy. 3, 2, 1.